Take a ride in the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system. Come take a test drive today.